If you have these questions, how to install Windows 11 on unsupported devices, this is your video and follow us. Hi everybody, I'm Alireza and welcome to IT channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported devices. So let's get into the video. As I should say that I installed this Windows on my Windows 11, and you need to download Windows 11 ISO that you can see that I was downloaded before, and I selected in the virtual machine, put the setting on Windows 10 and select the EFI and secure boot, and then next, and put some specific RAMs for it, and next until the end, and we can wait for Windows 11 to start loading. Actually, for installing Windows 11 on your computer instead of virtual machine, I will select it. I haven't, and you can see the specific ways, but I will tell you the other part. If you wanna install it on the Windows on your computer, I should tell you that you need to do these things and do this, go these ways. You need to download this ISO file and install it on a bootable flash disk and install this Windows 11. But this is the ways. Actually, I didn't focus on the installation way, but I was just put it in the first of the video, and I hope you like it. After waiting for getting into the video, I should say that this is incredibly have lots of change. The first thing is the start menu. Actually, the start menu have changed a lot. Actually, and I know that it could be to the left side of the it could turn to the left side of the screen like old thing, like old Windows. Actually, we have a huge change on right click. Actually, we have a refresh here. Actually, the graphic or the design have changed a lot. We have CMD here, and with clicking on the more option, we can access to the old-fashioned right click. This is and control and right click that I do that. There's a lots of graphic change. Actually, there is no specific change, and let's say click Windows I and see what is going inside. Windows setting is totally like Windows 10, and we have some specific graphical change here. Because I didn't activated this Windows, I can't access to most of the part of this Windows. And as you know, Microsoft says that unsupported devices can install Windows 11 on this machine, but they said that we didn't have any update for it or stuff like these things, and it's not supported for us, but you can install it. So far so good. And by right clicking on the taskbar, we can see that it have a huge change. We only have taskbar settings, and we can access it actually to the from the we can access it from the Windows setting. And oh baby, we can turn off these things on. We can turn these things off and on from the taskbar. Actually, we can saw these options in Mac OS and Apple's OS. And let me check these buttons and let's see what's changed. This auto hide is not okay, but I like it. Let's see what's happened from this part. Most of the things are common, and it's like Windows 10, but they have a huge graphical change actually. The most of the focus was in the I found this part that put the start the Windows button to where it's be as the old-fashioned Windows. Okay, let's check what's a personalized have in the right click. All right, in here we can have lots of change theme, and actually this is not a very huge change. It's normal, and it's like Windows 10, and it's a little bit different. As I said, I didn't repeat it again, but I should say that it's having graphical change. And let's see what we have next. Okay, let's check the start button, and let's see what's inside. Actually, by right clicking on the object, we can say that we can unpin it from the start. For example, I didn't like Microsoft Store, and I unpin it, and we can have some special features in the if I found the no, it's not lock screen. Let's check it. Maybe no, I didn't mind that. It's like Windows 10, this lock screen part. Let me pass through it. Let me check the display setting. In here we have lots of new options that is exactly for supported devices, for example new devices, and new for example displays, and new computers that it's not supported for my device actually. And there we have a huge change in the displays part. Okay. Okay everybody, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like us, and leave a comment below. And bye bye, take care, and don't forget to watch our next video.